If you're over 60 and still walking every day, you're missing the single most effective exercise for longevity, and your doctor will approve it. Most seniors think walking is enough, but the truth is walking alone won't protect your muscles, bones, or energy. Today, I'm going to show you the one exercise that does far more than walking, and it only takes 5 minutes a day. After 60, our bodies begin to lose muscle mass, bone density, and flexibility. You may feel your joints ache, your energy drop, and your balance weaken. Studies show that seniors who rely solely on walking often maintain heart health, but they fail to maintain strength and mobility, which are the real keys to staying active and independent. You might be walking every day, but without this simple exercise, your body is quietly aging faster than it should. Imagine losing strength so slowly you don't notice, until one day, standing up from a chair feels like a workout. That's the silent toll of aging without targeted movement. But there's a solution, and it's easier than you think. There's one simple movement that doctors recommend over walking. It strengthens the muscles most affected by aging: your thighs, glutes, core, and even your lower back without stressing your joints. And the best part, you don't need hours, you don't need a gym, and you don't need expensive machines. I'll show you exactly how to do it and why it's better than walking. But first, let's understand why walking isn't enough. Walking improves your heart. Yes, but it barely touches the muscle groups that determine strength, balance, and long-term independence. That's why millions of seniors are wasting their time unknowingly accelerating age-related decline. The good news is this one exercise reverses that trend, and anyone over 60 can do it safely. Step 1. Introduce the exercise. The exercise I'm talking about is the chair sit to stand. It's simple, requires no equipment, and targets every critical muscle you need after 60. Here's how you do it. Sit on a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Cross your arms over your chest or hold a small resistance band for extra intensity. Lean slightly forward, engage your core, and push through your heels to stand fully. Slowly lower yourself back to the chair without letting your butt touch. Fully keep tension in your muscles. Repeat 10 to 15 times, 1 to 2 sets daily. Notice how every muscle in your lower body is working, and your balance improves naturally. Step 2. Explain the benefits. Asterisk, this one exercise builds leg and glute strength, which walking alone cannot do. Improves bone density, reducing risk of fractures, enhances balance and prevents falls, boosts energy levels. So even daily activities feel easier. Can be done anywhere. Anytime perfect for seniors. Asterisk step 3. Affiliate, pitch, integrated naturally. To make this exercise even more effective, I recommend using a light resistance band like this one. It only takes 5 minutes, adds extra strength gains, and is doctor approved. I've used it myself for years, and it's the secret to staying strong, flexible, and active well into your 80s. You can grab one through the link in the description. It's simple, affordable, and will supercharge the results of this exercise. Step 4. Reassure and motivate. Don't worry if you've never done this before. Start slowly, focus on form, and you'll see improvement within days. You'll feel stronger, more stable, and confident in your movements. Walking alone can't give you this level of vitality. but this simple exercise can. Remember, walking is good, but it's not enough after 60. This one exercise is better, easier, and more effective for staying strong, balanced, and independent. If you want to truly feel younger, more energetic, and confident in your body, click the link below to get the doctor-approved resistance band that makes this exercise effortless every day. I'm 83, and this is the only exercise I do, and it keeps me moving, strong, and full of energy. Don't wait, your body deserves this now.